conversation was because Chris Watts is such a liar. We will never truly know the truth. So the morning of August 13th, 2018, Shanann is seen on her security footage coming home. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. Her very close friend is dropping her off. They both just got home. And we see Shanann walk into her house, and we never see her come out at all. That is the last image of Shanann Watts. So the very next day, her best friend that dropped her off is text messaging her, calling her, because Shanann had lupus. And when you are pregnant and you have lupus, which lupus is an autoimmune disease, you have to keep up with your black woman and a green turban.
Yep. They weren't lying. That only took 10 minutes. Now, clear that off. Oh, one down, probably 2 more to go. I think I could fit 2 more in there. And then I can get rid of, and then I could put in these things up and these things up off the ground. I hate shit on the ground. Oh well, 1 step forward taken. I'm happy about that. Okay, finally. Well, it's a little bit better. I gotta get something to get that crap off that table. Probably a bleach. Well, at least there's more walk space now that I rearranged all of that. Beads, clay stuff, clay stuff, clay stuff, clay stuff, clay stuff, clay stuff. Trash can. My suitcase that I think I'm going to put underneath those overnight bags. As soon as I clear out that last little bit of shit right here, I'm going to take that probably and put it against this window. Yeah. Well, it's looking a teeny bit better. Just a little bit. I need to clean out whatever is sitting on that so I can put this in there, stand it up, and have a foot more of path space. And then work on that another day. And that. But for right now, I'm pretty happy with myself. Most of the stuff is off the floor. Oh, I got to rearrange my cords. And then I'll be finished with this room for the day. Yes. Looking pretty good. I want to get probably 2 more of those to put all of that in. Yeah. Poco, 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 poco.